Space is vast. It's hard to truly grasp the sheer scale of the cosmos, but amidst this vastness, there are points of light that beckon our curiosity. One such point of light is Alpha Centauri. This isn't just any star system, it is our closest stellar neighbor. Alpha Centauri lies a mere 4.37 light-years away from Earth. Now that might sound like an insurmountable distance. After all, a light-year is the distance light travels in a year. But on the cosmic scale, it's practically next door. To give you some perspective, imagine shrinking our sun to the size of a grapefruit. On this scale, Earth would be a tiny dot just a few feet away. Alpha Centauri? It would be about the size of another grapefruit, and it would be located a whopping 2,500 miles away. This proximity makes Alpha Centauri a prime target for our telescopes and one day, perhaps even our spacecraft. It holds the tantalizing possibility of revealing secrets about star systems beyond our own. Alpha Centauri isn't just one star but a system of three. Two of these stars, Alpha Centauri A and B, are locked in a celestial dance. They orbit each other, forming a binary pair. The third star, Proxima Centauri, is a bit of a loner, orbiting the pair from a distance. Alpha Centauri A is the largest and brightest of the trio. It's a yellow dwarf star, much like our own sun. In fact, it's remarkably similar to the sun in size, mass, and temperature. If you were to stand on a hypothetical planet orbiting Alpha Centauri A, you might mistake it for our own star. Alpha Centauri B is a bit smaller and cooler than its companion. It's an orange dwarf star, still quite bright but not as luminous as Alpha Centauri A. Together, these two stars create a stunning sight in the night sky of the southern hemisphere. They appear as a single brilliant point of light, the third brightest star visible from Earth. Proxima Centauri, the third member of the Alpha Centauri system, is a different beast altogether. It's a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our sun. In fact, it's so faint that it's invisible to the naked eye from Earth. But don't let its diminutive size fool you. Proxima Centauri harbors a fascinating secret. It's home to at least two exoplanets. These planets, designated Proxima B and Proxima D, orbit the red dwarf star, locked in its gravitational embrace. Proxima B, the first planet discovered in the system, is particularly intriguing. It's an Earth-sized world, just slightly more massive than our own planet. And here's the kicker. It orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. And liquid water, as we know it, is essential for life as we know it. The three stars of Alpha Centauri are engaged in a delicate cosmic dance, their movements governed by the invisible hand of gravity. Alpha Centauri A and B waltz around each other in a relatively tight orbit, completing one revolution every 80 years. Proxima Centauri, on the other hand, is a more distant companion. It orbits the central pair at a much greater distance, taking tens of thousands of years to complete a single orbit. Despite their close proximity to Earth, the Alpha Centauri system remains a tantalizing mystery. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of what there is to learn about these stars and their planetary companions. But the future of Alpha Centauri exploration is bright. Scientists are already developing ambitious plans to send probes to the system. One such project, the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative, aims to develop tiny laser-propelled spacecraft capable of reaching Alpha Centauri within a generation. If successful, these missions could provide us with our first close-up glimpses of another star system. They could reveal whether Proxima B is truly habitable, whether it harbors life, and countless other secrets that await us among the stars.